registration, things got a little chaotic because too many people showed up. So if you could brief us what happened.
Okay, so there are only 9 posts. We are supposed to conduct the interview, and we have received almost 426 or 427 candidates. They came for the interview today, and they registered. And it is very difficult to conduct in a day. So on that basis, just we have deferred today, and maybe uh, we will be conducting soon, and we have to work out whether the same one board will continue for the interview, or maybe we have to devise the plan so that we can uh, conduct the interview in a day or two like that. So we have to work out. To work out.
So was there any trouble, sir? I mean, like anything from the candidates coming up?
No, no, there is no trouble. Only just people they came and why it has not been conducted in the last. We have explained, and everybody have seen that crowd. No, it is very difficult for us to conduct in one day. So even we consider only one board under the chairman of Pollution Control Board, member secretary, and senior scientist, 2 scientists. So 4 people in one single board. We have to call for the interview. We have to interview the 426 candidates, but that is not possible. Even if you spare 5 minutes, also it needs lot of time. So it will go, and it's better to finish in a day rather than keeping 3 4 days. So that way now we are planning to work it on that. We discuss again with the chairman and scientist and member secretary, and we will decide. And moreover, yeah, we will decide, and we will intimate to the candidates.
So in such interviews before, so was it not anticipated that this many people will
No,
come?
this was the first time we see this much crowd. And recently we conducted an interview for the multitasking assistants, and only 60 candidates appeared for the 6 posts. And in prior to that also we have conducted, and maybe 20, 30 like that. But this is the first time. First time we almost 10, 12 fold increase in the numbers. So we face problem.
Yeah.